Meteorologist Jeremy Lawan joining us now. Jeremy, the morning started off with some sunshine, but then as the day went on, it got bitter.
And it's going to continue to be bitter tonight, Jack. We're talking feels like temperatures 10, 15 degrees below zero. So this is the time of year that we need to make sure we're taking that cold seriously, have any exposed skin covered up. I'm wearing 6 layers underneath this sweater. Don't get it twisted. I'm definitely warm enough, wearing 3 pairs of pants and 2 socks. So you have to make sure that you're warm enough in temperatures as we're expecting. We have snow here in the backyard. We picked up 3.9 inches here at the WNEP backyard, and some spots just towards our south saw more than that. And that's because the whole system itself, folks, moved by about 20 to 30 miles, and a more substantial swath of snow set up over that red outlined area. Some of Schuylkill County, Carbon County, Monroe County, into southern Luzerne County. Notice those darker blues right over Jim Thorpe and Wilkes-Barre. It persisted for longer than anticipated, and that was not at all projected by any of the models or even the National Weather Service. So they actually issued a winter weather advisory at 11:15 last night. So this is something that was dynamic. The atmosphere does not run on a single equation. We have to make sure that we're watching the forecast as it develops, and that's exactly what happened. So some spots there in Carbon and Monroe counties saw some more snowfall than expected. See how that contour extends up into that area that saw those deeper blues, those stronger snow swaths. Out towards Long Island, that's where the big bullseye of the system, and down towards the south, Northampton County, Lehigh County, all saw 8-9 inches of snow. Jim Thorpe is the big winner from our area, 8 inches there. 7 inches in Drums here in our backyard, 3.9. Falls saw 3. And there was a big drop off for central Pennsylvania. Places like Sunbury, Selinsgrove, and Williamsport just near a ½ inch of snow. Milford picked up 4 inches. Now off towards the south and east, take a look at some of these amounts. Colts Neck, New Jersey, Toms River, New Jersey, all over 8 inches of snow. Doylestown, Pennsylvania, 8 inches of snow. Pottstown, PA, in 7.1. And Penn Argyl, 7 inches of snow. So a lot of that snowfall, the bullseye was just towards the south and east of our region, but there was a contour that nudged its way up into our area, and that's because we had a stronger band of snow just set up over the southern tier. So one of those places that really got in a good amount of snowfall was Blue Mountain there in Carbon County. Lots of folks skiing, and there's a live view of the rooftop camera on Courthouse Square at the People Security Building. Some of those streets in downtown Scranton last night were pretty rough. Now they look good. Everything really looking good for travel except those untreated roads and some of the rural areas. But right now, everything's pretty good for driving. Just watch out for patches of black ice tonight. 16 is where we're at right now with north-northwest winds at 14. It's going to be so cold tonight with the feels like temperatures dipping well below zero that the National Weather Service had issued a cold weather advisory for both Carbon and Monroe counties where the feels like temperature could get below -10. So that is dangerous territory. Frostbite in just 15 minutes. Take that seriously and cover up all your exposed skin. There are your wind gusts today, up to 35 miles per hour in Mount Pocono. We're still sustained over 10 for a vast majority of us right now. So those temperatures right now in the single digits and teens, feeling more like the single digits and below zero, feeling like 3 in Dew Shore, feeling like 7 in Tunkhannock and New Milford, feeling like -7 right now in Mount Pocono, feeling like 6 in Selinsgrove. Just a few flurries right now in parts of the northern tier. Those are lake effect and they won't last long. No accumulations expected, but we could see another bout of snow tomorrow night. That's possible as a quick impulse of moisture drops down out of Canada. Now the cold air that's in place for us extends all the way down to the Gulf Shore. We're talking temperatures down in the low 20s for the Gulf Coast of Florida and Georgia. So this is a cold that's extending really far south. Temperature tonight 12 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Wake up temperatures tomorrow in the single digits, but feeling like well below zero as we head into our day and night tomorrow. There's your feels like in Mount Pocono and Albrightsville. It's going to be cold, and then we could see some snow tomorrow. So if you're going anywhere tomorrow night, we're good tomorrow morning, we're good tomorrow afternoon. It's not until 4 p.m. that some snow showers set up over eastern Pennsylvania. We're only talking about a ½ inch of snow, at most an inch. But nonetheless, that could cause some trouble for you if you're traveling anywhere between 4 and 10 p.m. tomorrow. There's your 7-day forecast, Jack. We got a big warm-up on the way. Thursday, I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to. Temperatures approaching 50, and that rain will get rid of a lot of the snow that we've accumulated here. We're tracking a system next weekend, too, Jack, that could bring us a winter mix.
Jeremy, thank you very much.
You got it.
Basketball.